me share my content.
Sandhya ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Sharon 4D parent, I have gave the host.
Okay,
Ask
ma'am.
them to record now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not able to share my content. Why?
Ma'am, wait ma'am, 1 minute.
Ah, okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Oh,
ma'am. So today we are going to see is a digestive system. So make a note. So today our topic is digestive system. So how the digestion begins? So the digestion begins in the mouth. As we all know, first where the food will go from in your mouth. Okay. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. Okay. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. And what will happen? The food will break down into a small pieces. The food will break down into a small pieces. Now imagine we have chapati in our hand. Do we eat chapati as it one go, or we'll break the chapati into small pieces with the help of our teeth, or we eat chapati straight away the one go? Text me in the chat box. Do we cut the chapati into small pieces? Yes, very good. So we cut chapati into small pieces and then only we will take it to the food. We cannot eat one roll chapati as one of go. We cannot take it like that. Okay, we will not able to swallow that food because of food pipe will not allow that much content of food together. So what we do, we cut the food into small pieces. The food is broken into small pieces with the help of our teeth, with the help of our teeth. Okay, so next what will happen, the mouth consists of salivary glands. Once it break down into small pieces with the help of a mouth, what will happen? The mouth is consist of salivary glands. So just I'll give you an example. Imagine when your mother is preparing a idli batter at your grinder, what mummy will do? Mummy will first pour the rice and urid dal. So to get the mixture of batter, so what she pour? She pour some water. Yes, she pours some water, then only we will make a idli batter, or otherwise it will make it as a powder. So to make a moisture, so mother will add a water to the batter, then only we will get a idli batter. The same way, to take the food to your stomach, the mouth consists of salivary glands. The mouth consists of salivary glands. So inside the mouth, so the food is broken down into small pieces with the help of a teeth. And this mouth contains the salivary glands. What this salivary will do? The salivary glands present in the mouth produced a liquid. Okay, produce a liquid. It's called saliva. Produce a liquid. It's called saliva, which helps the process of digestion. So when we chew the food, the saliva get mixed with the food and make it soft and moist. Soft and moist. We cannot take chapati as a piece to your stomach straight away. It will stuck. So whenever we have medicine, we use water. So whenever we take food, we take the salivary glands produce saliva. With the help of saliva, a food get soft and moist so that it is easable to dissolve in a soluble in a, it is easy to soluble, and it takes go and it the process takes in the food pipe, or else it will get stuck. If it is not moist, the food will get somewhere, so that the saliva helps the food to get moist. Okay, the saliva get the food to moist. So the process of breaking down of food particle into similar substance, okay, the process of breaking down of food particle into similar substance is known as a digestion. Okay, we have three stages of digestion. First is inside the mouth. We have seen the inside the mouth. Next, how from the mouth it goes to the stomach. It's the stage two. And the next is the inside the intestine. How the stomach will take it to the intestine. These are the stages we are going to see in our digestion. So make a note, the digestion, the process of breaking down the food particle. The process of breaking down the food particle is known as digestion. Okay, it has three stages. It has three stages. Okay, what is digestion? The digestion is breaking down of food particles. So whatever we eat, no, it will get digest with the help of our process of digestion. So now we are going to see how our food is getting digest with the help of three stages. One is the inside the mouth, second stage is inside the stomach, and the stage three is inside the intestine. So the first is inside the mouth. The food is, as we know, the food is broken down into small pieces and the saliva will get mixed with the food to make it soft and moist. Soft and moist. So the saliva also changes insoluble starch. Insoluble starch means some food cannot be dissolved. So with the help of a saliva, it will get moist and become soluble state. Soluble, what is soluble and insoluble? Soluble is the things that can be easily dissolved. The things can be easily dissolved. Example, the sugar and salt. Mix it with the water, it can be dissolved easily. The oil cannot dissolve. The oil is a insoluble in state. The oil cannot be dissolved. So insoluble, the things cannot be dissolved easily. The things that cannot be dissolved so easily. Okay. Soluble is easily dissolved and insoluble is cannot be dissolved. So this saliva helps the food to insoluble food to soluble state. Then only it can take it to our stomach. So from the mouth, where the stomach, where the food will go, the food after the food broken down into small pieces, we will swallow it. Okay, we will swallow the food. We here we have the red one is a food. After the mouth start complete chewing, the food will enter into the esophagus. It's otherwise called a food pipe. We can call it as a food pipe or esophagus. The tongue helps to push down the through a tube. Okay, this tube is called esophagus or a food pipe. Then the food pipe connects mouth to the stomach. So the food pipe connects the mouth to the stomach. Then the food will enter into your stomach. Then your food will enter into your stomach. First, the mouth will start chewing the food, make it into small pieces, and then it break it down and it comes with the come in the tube. It's called food pipe. This part is called the food pipe or esophagus, where the food enters from the mouth to the stomach. From the mouth to the stomach. Okay, see, the food enters to the mouth to the stomach and then it will go to the other parts. Okay, then it will go to the other parts of the stomach. So first the food enters mouth, next the food pipe or esophagus, next stomach. So now we will see the inside the stomach. So we will see how what the process inside in the stomach. The first, tongue help us to push down food through food pipe or esophagus. Then the food pipe connects the mouth to the stomach. In the stomach, the food turned into fine paste. What the stomach will do? The stomach will make a food into fine paste. Okay, so the juices released in the stomach mixed well with the food. So from the food pipe, once the food enter, the stomach will release some juices to make it as a fine paste. Okay, this juice break down the proteins into similar form. So the protein will be absorbed. The stomach will absorb the proteins and break down the proteins into a similar form. Okay, let me show in a video how the stomach will do the action inside the stomach. Okay. Subhashri, mute your video. Wait, children. Okay. So imagine this is your stomach. So imagine this is your stomach. So what ma'am is going to do is the mouth will cut the food into small pieces, right? So I'll take this biscuit now and I'll put it in the stomach now as a small pieces. Okay, I'm breaking down into small pieces and I'm filling this in our stomach and it goes to our stomach. Okay, so ma'am, I've taken a biscuit. Imagine this bag as your stomach. So the food, the biscuits, it's breaking down into a small particle. So next to that, I'm going to add banana. Okay. So next to that, ma'am is adding banana into small pieces.
Sandhya ma'am,
Yes,
your video is not visible, ma'am.
is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's showing in my web screen. My video is visible. Children, is my screen is visible? Video is visible? Children,
Visible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Visible. Ma'am, your screen is visible only, ma'am.
Oh, okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay, ma'am.
thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm taking this banana food as a small pieces, okay, to the stomach. Okay. So now the food is stored in our stomach. So the food need the moisture, right? So I'm going to add some orange juices. So now ma'am is adding juice, orange juice, which are the juices secreted from the stomach. Okay. So I'm giving orange juice. So now my stomach is filled with biscuits, banana, and the juices. Okay. So what the stomach will do? Stomach will make a fine paste like this. Yes. Now, so I'm doing the action of grinding. So the stomach will make a fine paste of your food. So I'm crushing down all the food substance. Okay.
Ma'am, video is not visible. They are saying, ma'am. For some of them, not visible. They are putting in chat box. Ma'am, not.
Yes, ma'am. So they have to check a participant no visible video somewhere visible no.
Okay. Okay. Oh,
Tell them to view in a visible screen. They have some participant list in a visible type no. So now the food is get mixed. So this is the process of our stomach. The food enter from the mouth, break down into small pieces. The food enter into the mouth and through the food pipe, it goes to our stomach. With the help of some juices, the stomach will make a fine paste of your food. With the help of your some juices, the food will make it into a fine paste. Now the food what I have given here, the biscuit and the bananas. Okay, so once I start grinding with the orange juice, the food is turned into a fine paste. The food is turned into a fine paste. Okay. Okay. So next we will see in the slide what happen once the food get digestion. Once the food get fine paste. So the juices, so juice released from the stomach or mixed well with the food, and now our stomach has made a fine paste. And what this juice will do, this juice will break down the proteins into similar form. So after that, where it goes, so okay, from the stomach, the food is pushed into the small intestine. Okay, so once it get a fine paste, in the all the food is broken into a pieces. Once it make a fine paste, from the stomach, the food is pushed to a small intestine. So here you could see this part is our small intestine. From the stomach, the food entered into a small intestine. Okay, so what will happen next? The juices from the small intestine mixes well with the food and break it down into smaller pieces. The next what will do the small intestine? Once it get mixed, it will give some juices. It will also segregate some juices, and that food will break down into a smaller pieces. Okay, next the juice produced by the liver and the pancreas break the fat part into from the liver the food into tiny droplets. The liver will produce wait children. So from the stomach, it will enter into from the stomach, it will enter into a small intestine. So once it enters, the small intestine produces some juices to make it a tiny particle. The liver, this part, the liver and the pancreas also produces some juices. This liver will help us to this liver will produce some juices to the intestine, and here the pancreas will also produce some juices to the intestine, so that it will give you the fine paste. So from the stomach, it will turn into more fine paste, and the small intestine will be give the small intestine, the wall of the small intestine produce more further juices. Okay, then all this liver and the pancreas started giving the juice. What will happen? The food is almost like a liquid. The juice produced by the liver breaks the food into tiny droplets. The liver will make what the liver is giving juice. No, how it help us? It help us to give a tiny droplet. So by this time the food is almost like a liquid. By this time the food is almost like a liquid. In the stomach it is like a paste stage. In the stomach it is like a paste stage. Once it enter into the small intestine, the liver and the pancreas and the intestine will give some more juices, which helps it to make a liquid state, which help us to make it in a liquid state. Okay, so next is, okay, the juice break from the liver, the juice break fat into tiny droplets, and the pancreas the juices into small intestine, releases juices. Okay, this digestion, once it get a liquid food, this digestion food taken into the all parts of the body by the blood vessels in the wall of the small intestine, in the wall of the small intestine. Once it get a liquid paste, the food will take it to the blood vessels. Okay, the food will take it to the blood vessels, then only we get energy. Okay, then only we get energy. So this process is doing in our small intestine. Inside the intestine we have small and the large intestine. Okay, so small intestine do the food into the liquid paste. Okay, so now our ma'am have a stomach bag. Okay, so next what will happen we will see. Let me enable my video. Right, children. Right, children. Okay, so now my stomach bag is ready with the food. Okay, so imagine this socks is your small intestine. This socks
Savya,
is
ma'am.
your, yes.
Ma'am, ask others to mute themselves, ma'am. Your video is not visible. Janvi, mute your video, Kanna. Then only ma'am video will be visible for others. Your video is not visible, ma'am.
Okay,
In your mobile only you are.
yes, in your mobile, in my mobile I'm taking.
Okay, ma'am. Now it's visible, ma'am. Now it's
Ah,
visible.
okay, ma'am. So imagine this is your stomach, no? Now imagine this is your, so this socks is your small intestine. This socks is your small intestine. So what I'm going to do is now the food will enter. I'll take this tray now. Now this food will enter into your small intestine. From the stomach, the food will enter into your small intestine. So the liquid form, so these are the juices, though you can see the juice in the tray. Okay. So this is how the small intestine segregate the juice and it make it into a solid state, and it segregate all the undigested food. Okay. And it segregates all the undigested food. These are the juices which will taken to the blood vessels to give energy to your body. Okay, these are the, this juice, okay, will be taken to your blood vessels, which will give energy to your body, and the unwanted waste thing will be excreted in your kidney system. Okay, so now I have segregated undigested food. So I have transferred from the stomach the food to the small intestine. Okay, so once this food is mixed with the liver juices and the pancreas juices, it almost like a liquid. So this digested food is taken to the body of your blood vessels in the wall of the small intestine. Okay, so now, so in this tray we have a juices, unwanted juices. Okay, this is will be excreted in the excretory system as a urinary. Okay, and here in this socks I have undigested food. Okay, this in this socks I have a undigested food. So where this undigested food will go, we will see in the slideshows. Okay, I'll keep it here. Wait, children, let me wash my hand. Thank you, children. Thank you. So, next, inside the large intestine. So, where this undigested food will go? So, we segregated the urinary part and the undigested part. Okay. So, this undigested part will remain to the large intestine. So, the small intestine push the undigested food to the large intestine. Okay. The blood vessel in the walls of the large intestine absorb the extra water from the undigested food. So we have some water in the undigested food. In the socks, no, we have some more water. So when it goes to the large intestine, those water also absorbed by the large intestine. Okay, so this water is passed into the kidney and later leaves our body in the form of a urine. This water is passed into the kidney, so we get urine, right? So where what we the doctor will tell us, drink more water, take a healthy food. So it all takes in the process of digestion. So this water is passed in the kidney and later leaves as a body in the form of a urine. So next, the solid waste is removed from our body through rectum. Next, the solid waste is removed from our body through rectum. So every day, whatever we take, no, the next day it will be removed. So we take proteins, minerals, calciums, vitamins from the food, and all the undigested food will be removed. Okay, so whenever you take the food, no, it should be complete healthy food. Do not take a junk food which will not good for your stomach and your health. When you take junk food, you will not get any kind of vitamins, minerals, proteins, nothing like that. So whenever you take a healthy food, it is good for your stomach and it will give energy and it will help your cells to build good, keep you good. So now next we are going to see the undigested food, where it goes and how it come out. Okay, so we have seen the water is secreted and it is in the tray. So next we are going to see is I'm going to remove the undigested from the socks. Okay, let me show my video. Wait, children. So this is your okay. Stop sharing. Okay, so this is our small intestine. It has undigested food. Okay, we have bananas and biscuit. No, that solid items or get undigested here. And this is the water. It's excreted and it takes to the kidney as a urine part. So next, imagine this is your large intestine. Imagine this cup is your large intestine. So what will happen? This undigested food will go into this large intestine. Okay, let me do it. Please wait. So you could see this undigested food. Yes. So these are the undigested food in our small intestine, from the small intestine. So these are the undigested food from the small intestine, then it transfer to the large intestine. Okay. And it will come out from the rectum part. Okay. So see this, and it will come out. Wait, children. See, this will come out from your small intestine. The waste will come out. Okay. The waste will come out. So these are the process takes in our digestion. Okay. Please wait, children. So we have seen the stomach, the food enters from the mouth to your stomach, and the stomach will make a fine paste. We have seen, no, in the stomach bag have poured biscuits, bananas, and some juices. When we mash it out, it becomes a fine paste. Even though it's a fine paste, then it enter into the small intestine. Then the what will the small intestine will do? The small intestine produce some juices, and the liver will give some juices, and the pancreas will give some juices to make this as a liquid state. The food will make it into a liquid state. So once it form into a liquid state, the food segregate water separately and the undigested food separately. And the tiny droplets, the food energy, no, will taken with the help of your blood vessel from the small intestine. From the small intestine. Once small intestine complete all this process, next the small intestine drop the undigested food, drop undigested food to the large intestine. So the large intestine will absorb the extra water which is not absorbed by the small intestine, and the large intestine absorb the extra water and excrete the undigested food through your rectum part. Okay. So this is how the digestion takes place in your stomach. This is how the digestion takes place in your stomach. Let me show the slide. Okay, this water is, so now we removed all the solid waste from the body. So now we have removed all the solid waste in our body. Okay, see this? The food enter. Wait. So now the first the food is going to enter mouth, make it into a small pieces, and then it enters to the esophagus or the food pipe. Then from the food pipe it passes it to the stomach. From the food pipe it passes it to the stomach. Okay. So next the stomach make it as a fine paste and it passes it to the small intestine. In the small intestine, the liver and the pancreas also produce some juices to make it a liquid state. Once it get liquid state, it starts segregated the water part and the undigested part. So it absorb all the nutrients from through the blood vessels, and all the undigested part will go to the large intestine. To the large intestine, and it come out through rectum. Okay, so this is how the digestion takes place in our human body. So how wonderful, no? So many process with our stomach are doing to get our food digested. So children, so whenever you take, no, please take healthy food, food which is rich in protein, minerals, calciums, vitamins. Don't take, you can take a junk food at any time, at any one, at least 6 months you can have any one junk food. I will not tell that you will not take any junk food, because as a children you all like, but don't take it often, because it will not give nothing to your body. Okay, it will make you sick. So when you like on occasion time, you can have some junk food, not all the time. So take always the healthy food to keep your body safe and healthy, and the digestion will take in the process, then only the digestion will happen in a good process. Okay, so children, did you understand what is digestion? How did it take place in your stomach? Text me in the chat box. Is the session is useful? Very good, children. Very good. Very good. Okay, thank you. Did you understand the activity? Thank you, Ashwin. Will you like to do this activity at home? With the simple things, you can make it. Okay, only the things which are available at home, you can also do this digestion in front of your parents. They will also happy, no, when you do this. Okay, very good. You can do it. Yes. Okay, children. So today we have learned about digestive system. Okay, so make do this activity, and you will be getting this worksheet regarding this digestive system in your MBM app. Once you get, no, make use of it and complete the worksheet. Okay, and show me the worksheet once you complete in your video call.
Ma'am, see you, ma'am.
Children, those who
Ma'am.
want to, so we will do the recap again on the next session, the digestive
Ma'am.
system. So keep a note. We will do
Ma'am,
it
my
in
video is not working.
so children, those who like to share your videos, no, about your teeth.
Ma'am, see my teeth, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Mitra Vinda. I could see. Very nice, very nice. Super.
Ma'am,
Very good.
see my video, ma'am.
Pradiksha, yes, I could see
Ma'am.
folding upper and lower jaw. Very nice.
Ma'am.
Srihasini, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you hear me? My video is not working.
No, I
When
could
my
see your,
daddy.
no, I can see your
Ma'am.
video, but your picture is not visible. Yes,
Ma'am.
Kirtan. Yes,
You can
Pradiksha.
see my picture, ma'am. See my video, ma'am.
Pradiksha, I've seen. Yeah, I've seen with your cardboard you made, right? Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yalni Nikita, structure of tooth. Ah, very nice. Very nice, Yalni Nikita. Okay, children, let me share the lesson of your digestive system. Take a screenshot. Though you have not have book, no, let me. I'll share your screenshot, children.
Telegram, mama.
Yes, ma'am.
Time up, ma'am. 1 more minute. 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am. Children, please take a screenshot.
Ma'am,
Of
1 minute I leave and come to the class, ma'am. Don't take the screenshot, ma'am. One minute, ma'am. Ma'am, you can send it in the Telegram app, the screenshot.
Take a screenshot of your digestion, children. Children, it's time to end up, so make it fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can take a screenshot, ma'am. Ma'am, can you? Bye, ma'am. Jai Guru, ma'am.
And the second,
Bye, ma'am.
take a screenshot of your
Ma'am.
intestine part, digestion.
Next page, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Jai Guru.
Only these 2 pages. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ma'am, can you send this in Telegram?
Telegram we will check and let you know, child.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Then